Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kyle Chartbully back with another video. We are doing the Forex analysis for May 17th. Hope everybody is doing well, taking care of themselves, staying safe. I know a lot of the mask mandates are off for a lot of states, but still, keep your distance, man. Wash your hands, sanitize. You still want to just play it safe, even if you've been fully vaccinated. So yeah, just be careful, y'all. Still take care of yourselves and just watch out, because you can still catch the virus and things like that. So don't get too reckless just yet. I know summertime's approaching. Everybody want to get outside, but still stay safe as much as possible. Real quick, I do have the gold breakdown finished. I'm just editing the video right now, so that should be out tomorrow. Yeah, that's really it. I got a few more videos in mind for next week and this week, but yeah, I'm just working on a gold video right now. So let's get into it. If I pull the charts up, let's start with our good friend gold. Right now, daily's been looking good. We did have the swing low that's confirmed right here. So as you can see, to the left, to the right, nice swing, push up, and this is today, so we're still looking bullish. Right now, as far as next key level, I have it marked off as 1925, and then we're gonna look to get to this big figure of 1970. It's gonna take a while to get there. We might get some turbulence right here around 1899 right here, but I'm still looking to get to this area then here. Okay, so stay bullish and keep buying this pair right now. H1 looks great. You can see the higher highs and the higher lows being met. Market structure is looking beautiful. This is a great move right here. So you can see all the lows being met and all the highs being respected. So pattern wise, you're looking for the same thing. We're looking for something like maybe around here. Maybe it bounced off this daily key level for like a zone flip. And up here, this is a nice OB right here. So it could bounce off this as well. But I would want structure to hold this level, okay? And we go to our M15. It's a little mini price imbalance right here. So price should negate most of this. Like I said, could bounce right here, and if we pull our fib out, this should correspond with the fib. So yeah, that's right at the buy zone level. So I'm looking for a bounce right here on the buy zone. Like I said, low risk buy zone near the ADR low could work, but mostly I'm gonna look for something around the buy zone. So look for your W's, look for your stop hunts, your railroad tracks, things of that nature. So this is pretty simple. These are the times you want to buy gold and trade gold. When we're doing stuff like this, like you see all this is not the week to trade gold. When you see nice strong moves, boom, 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 where you can see that money is in the pair and people are trying to push the market to a certain price, these are the times to get in. You just want to follow the big dogs, right? So these are the times to trade gold. Gold is not a pair to trade every day, okay? But I digress. Let's go to EU, okay? And we are on the daily, much like gold. We're getting right here at this point. I called this a little earlier, like last week, but these moves took everything out. So it took a little while, but all we did was really make another structure on the daily. So another lower high right here, and right here. So the same moves you see on the daily, right? They happen on the H1, they happen on the M15, right? So I didn't call this, I didn't expect for this big retracement here, but we've been moving up, made another swings right here. So we got two swings right here. So we're looking good. We're right at this resistance level. I am looking for price to break this, and then ultimately we're gonna look to get up here, okay? And we go to the weekly. Yeah, so we have plenty more targets, so we should be able to reach this, because this is nowhere near like all-time highs or anything like that. So I'm looking for that to bust through that resistance and keep heading up. H1, much like the daily, you can see the structure right here. So we got our higher lows and our higher highs, and we're just working our way up towards this structure right here. So this is going to be your TP1 for tomorrow. We go to M15. Like I said, target this area for tomorrow. You can take profit at Friday's high, but you know, look for a price to get up here. Okay. All right, let's pull the fib out. Let's do our thing with the fib. Low to the current high. Actually, I'm just gonna go to this high, and same thing as usual. We're looking for price where buy zone, low risk buy zone. You want price to hold this right here. So as long as price holds the range low, we're good. Momentum's in our favor from the daily. H1 looks good, so this should be some money for Tuesday. Okay. GU, let me see, got here. This should be much like EU. Yeah. So I'm gonna clear some of this out. All right. So much like EU, we're getting towards a resistance level right here, and we should be able to break through. I don't see any reason why we can't. And then our next target is going to be up here near the 1.427. Was that like 260 big figure? Okay. So I don't see any reason why we can't. We've been on an uptrend for a while. We had some retracements just like EU, but this is holding nicely as well. H1. Sorry, I'll fix this. Okay. H1. There's really not much else to really say. It's looking bullish. I would want price to hold this level right here. If it gets below that, I would start considering short-term sells to here. But as of right now, I do want to buy and get above this area right here. Okay. So M15, same thing we always do. Like I said, I want price to hold this structure on the H1. So low to high. We're looking bullish, so we got moves we can look for in the buy zone, low risk buy zone, as long as it doesn't reach the range low. Just like EU, it should be good. All right. Bitcoin's been falling down. I know Elon Musk said a few things about like Tesla not accepting Bitcoin. It's not really environmental friendly, sustainable. So, you know, this has just been falling. Bitcoin is one of those things, man. It's I don't think it's ever really gonna go away. So, I mean, is now a good time to get in? I mean, we're close to 30,000, 39,000. I mean, price could keep dropping. I mean, if it gets around here, like 29, that is a great price to get in. So, you know, I would look to see if it's going to drop to here. I wouldn't be ready to take a buy just yet, just because we do kind of have equal lows here on the daily. So I would be looking for price to trade below that, even though it's kind of been bouncing off the support. It could just trade right through, maybe touch this and come back down into this range right here. If we get below this range, then, you know, we're looking in serious trouble for Bitcoin, but I don't really see it getting that low. Then again, I didn't see it dropping for a whole week either, so you never know, right? And this could just shoot up to 100,000 next day. You never know. But H1 wise, this has just been looking like structure, so you can see the lower highs right here. Okay, so this is going to be my area of interest. I don't want price to get to this level if it's going to retrace back up. At that point, I would not really be considering sells unless I saw a strong move just go right back down. Okay. All right, and we pulled a fib out. Like I said, it is touching this equal lows on the daily. So I know a lot of people are looking to buy, but I would just stay bearish for now on the pair. All right, low to high. We're looking for low risk sell zone, M's, railroad track stop hunts in this area. Okay, so all right here is good. If it does come up, I mean, you can put the fib. Honestly, you could move the fib up here because it's Bitcoin and it does move, you know, pretty violent. You could put it up here. So if it does, I would just be concerned if it gets to the low risk buy zone over here. But you know, equilibrium, sell zone, it depends on where you put your fib at. So if you're looking for it right here, then you don't want to get past the range high. Okay, so just look for your M's, your stop hunts, moves there. US30, I have not been following this, so I'm not even sure what's going on. Let me see. So we did have some retracement last week, but we're still super bearish still. It's still going to play around this zone right here. So this is going to be your new levels for it to look at until it breaks out of one of these two. You know, I'm really not going to be trading this. Just because it dropped for a few days doesn't mean it's going to keep dropping. So we had a swing high, but then right now we're forming a swing low again. So as far as US30, I would just honestly just wait. They just been collecting orders top to bottom here. I would wait until price at least got back up to here, then look for some type of stuttering and sell that back down, because they may just bounce up down up down up down for a while. So you never know with US30, or they could just blow past this or blow under this. So I'll either trade the highs and lows of the structure here, or I'll just wait for a breakout. Okay, H1, there's not really any structure here. Like I'm saying, just wait for price to get to one of these levels at the top or the bottom, and then take a buy here, take a sell here, or just wait to see if it breaks out. All right, so that's going to be it, guys. Like I said, I am editing a gold breakdown video, so I should have that to you guys tomorrow. But that's it. Hope you guys have a great trading week. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know if I can help with anything. If you did like this, please feel free to drop a like, sub up, leave a comment. I appreciate everybody. Y'all take care. Peace.